Good morning, my friend. Today, I want to tell you a story. It is about coffee, cake, and embarrassment. Yes, you guessed it. It happened at a cafe. It was Saturday morning. I woke up late. My stomach said, "Food, please." I thought, okay, I will go to a cafe. A nice cafe. I will eat breakfast there. So I dressed quickly. I grabbed my phone and wallet, and I walked to a little cafe near my house. The cafe was beautiful. Big windows, soft chairs, and music. It smelled like heaven. Coffee, bread, chocolate. My stomach growled loudly. I sat down. A waiter came. He smiled and gave me the menu. The menu was long. So many choices. Cappuccino, latte, mocha, croissant, cake, pancakes. I wanted everything. The waiter waited patiently. I panicked. My brain said, "Order fast." I pointed randomly. "One coffee and one cake, please." The waiter wrote it down. He asked, "Which coffee?" I froze. Normal coffee?" He laughed. "Okay. One Americano." A few minutes later, he brought my order. A big cup of Americano and a slice of chocolate cake. It looked delicious. I picked up the cup, but my hand was slippery. Oops. The coffee spilled. Not on the table, not on the floor, on my shirt. Everyone looked. The waiter gasped. I smiled awkwardly. Hot fashion, new style. People laughed. I wanted to hide under the table. The waiter brought tissues. He said, "Don't worry. Happens all the time." But I knew it was only me. I decided, okay, forget the coffee. Just enjoy the cake. I picked up the fork. I cut a big piece. I put it in my mouth. Wow. Sweet, soft, perfect. I smiled. Then suddenly, my fork slipped. The cake fell. Not on the plate. Not on the table. On the floor. The waiter saw. He shook his head. He gave me another slice. "Free." I said, "Thank you, you are my hero." As I ate slowly, another waiter came. He put a sandwich and orange juice on my table. I said, I didn't order this." He looked confused. He checked his paper. Then he said, "Oh, sorry. Wrong table." He took it back. But before he left, my stomach growled loudly again. I whispered, "Actually, can I keep the sandwich too?" After eating, I stood up. I walked to the counter. I gave my card. The machine beeped. Error. I tried again. Error. The cashier asked, "Do you have cash?" I checked my pockets. Nothing. My wallet? Empty. I froze. I panicked. People stared. I whispered, "Maybe." I washed dishes instead. The cashier laughed. "Don't worry. Just pay with your phone." Oh, yes. I forgot. I tapped my phone. Beep. Payment complete. I sighed with relief. I walked out of the cafe. Full stomach. Empty dignity. When I got home, I looked at my shirt. Still dirty. But I smiled. Because now I had a story to tell. Lesson of the day: always hold your coffee carefully. Always bring cash. And never trust cake. It can escape any time. The end.